Hey baddies, it's me, Brianna Arson. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I can't wait to show you what we got in the June 2026 IPSY box. I just got my IPSY package, so I thought it would be fun to open this up together because, transparently, I don't remember what I picked this month. So I'm really excited. It usually doesn't come in a bubble mailer. Let's see what we've got. It looks like the IPSY bag is literally in a bag this month. We've got Blend the Rules, the June 2026 bag, some trends and a preview of what we might have in the box, a peek at next month. Love that. Let's get into it. First order of business. Moon Slice Beauty's Celestial Crush eyeshadow palette. I'm eager to see what this looks like. Let's open her up. Oh, that's stunning. I love this and I absolutely can't wait to try. The shimmers look gorgeous. Item number 2. We have the Tarte Cosmetics Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. Cute Tarte's Lights Camera Lashes Mascara. I'm curious to see what the wand looks like. Here is the mascara wand. Looks to be a lengthening mascara, which I like. Then we have Pinky Beauty's Hot Commodity, the bronzer palette. Let's see, I think these are the shades up top. They're all powder bronzers. I like that there's a variety here. That's actually quite handy. Stunning packaging. I like the color. The bronzers. Ooh, stunning. Love that. They look to be matte with no shimmer, which I love. Next item, Tower 28's Tinted Lip Treatment. It looks like we got confetti cake. Super cute. Has a ball-shaped applicator. Ooh. There's the color. I like that. That's super cute. And it tastes like cake. Like vanilla. Into that. Last product. Toy Factory Nia Lip. Looks like we got niacinamide infused lip liners. The shades. We've got Nude Protocol and Deep Seek. So here's Nude Protocol. Cute. I like that color. The shade Nude Protocol. Shade number 2, this is Deep Seek. Nude Protocol on top and Deep Seek on the bottom. Here is everything I got in my IPSY bag. I'm so excited to try it. I can't wait. Plus, I kind of like that they've switched to like a little drawstring sack instead of the boxes. I found that the boxes, they were just like a little too big for what we were getting. So this feels definitely more suitable. And it all fits neatly inside, and that's the best part. If you made it all the way this far, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to do a makeup try-on video and test all my new products because we basically got a full face. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!